Howdy, investor. Do I have a deal for you, or do I? This is Mickey Petersen, your North Houston Realtor, here at a home in Spring, Texas, being offered for $148,000. It's about a 1,300 square foot home with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage. Behind me, you can see the kitchen. And is this a good deal to invest? Is this a good neighborhood? Are there good schools around? Let's visit the home, and I'll see you in a minute. So now that you've seen the house, not very good conditions, but maybe it is a good deal. Maybe we could buy it, fix it up, and make some money. If you have any questions about investing and flipping, please call, text me, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Until then, peace.